Diagram shows a swimming pool J, K, L, M and P. Given the pattern area is a children pool area. So children pool area and the non-pattern area. So swimming pool J, K, L, M and PQ. So J, K, L, M and PQ. Given the pattern area is children's pool and the non-pattern area is the adult pool. KRM is a KRM is a semicircle, common center L and a radius of 8 cm. Given that N is a midpoint, so N here where is N? N is a midpoint of PM and QP is equal to NP. So QP is equal to NP. QP is equal to NP. Fine. So area for adult. So we see here we have the total area of the square. So area of adult is equal total area minus area of semicircle KRM minus area of triangle QPN. So we see here this one is 20. So if this one is the midpoint, so this one is 10, this one is 10, this one is also 10 because QP is equal to PN. So we have this one 8. So area of semicircle is, so we know area of circle is equal to pi r square. So area of semicircle is equal to half pi r square. So area of triangle is equal to half times base times height. So we know this is 10, half times 10 times 10. So total area is the total 20 times, this one is 8, so this one is 8 cm. So we know 20 times 16. So total area is 20 times 16 for total area minus area of semicircle is half pi r square. So half pi is 22 over 7. R is 8. You can see here 8 square minus area of triangle is half times 10 times 10. So we get 169.43 centimeter square. So area is equal to 169.43 centimeter square. So B, the children's pool is surrounded by red tiles. Calculate the perimeter of the red tile. So you see the perimeter of the children's area is here, here, and then here, and here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have QN plus second is QP plus PN plus arc of KRM plus KM. So we know this one is the midpoint where this one is 8 cm. So this one is 10 cm. This one is 10 cm. This one is 10 cm. So which one we haven't get? So this one is 8 cm. So we have to get the arc. So arc. So we know perimeter of circle is equal to 2 pi r. So perimeter of semicircle is equal to half 2 pi r, which is equal to pi r. Or if we can get by angle, 180 over 360 times 2 pi r, which is also pi r. So semicircle K So arc KRM is equal to pi r is equal to pi. So radius of KRM is 8. So which is 8 pi. So we haven't get 1 yet. So 1 is the hypotenuse, which is Qn. So Qn square is equal to QP square plus Pn square. So which is equal to, this one is 10. 10 square plus 10 square, which is 100 plus 100, 200. Qn is 200. So we get 14.14 cm. So this one is 14.14 cm. So we have all the line. So perimeter is equal to Qn. So we know is equal to Qn. So you see here Qn is 14.14 plus Qp. Qp is 10 cm plus Pn is also 10 cm plus R KRM we calculated before, which is 8 pi plus Km. So Km is 16. So the answer is, so this one can be changed to 22/7. So we get 75.28 centimeter. So the answer is 75.28 centimeter.